Hello there. We are going to do a very short tutorial on the format of these slides, at least in the very beginning. The slides may look similar later on, but teachers might make some changes, which is great. So the very opening slide, at least on the first lesson in Module 1, that's where I've got the little arrow clicking to the little film camera where the video, you're going to click there for the tutorial. That's on the very first slide, but I only do that for the first lesson. And then we're working on ratios, proportions, fractions right there in the corner. So that's why that's there. Then the second slide you're going to see is wayfinding symbols, hopefully on each of the pages to kind of clue you in visually. This is what I'm going to be asked to do. Oh, there's a video, or I'm going to be writing in my math book, or I'm going to be typing maybe on a Google Doc, or maybe it's going to be a Google form, or some people might use the Go Formative. Checking my answers. I've already done the work, but I'm just going to take a look and make sure that I'm on track. I'm reading directions, thinking about them. Okay, next page. This is the plan. For right now, this is how it's going to go as far as this is the target. This is what we're focusing on, the classwork involved. Sometimes I'll post or people will post a video to help you through the classwork. Then the lesson summary reflection is there. The problem set is for practice to show you've got this. And the exit ticket gives us information on what's still an issue or what do we need to go back and reteach, take a look at. And then additional resources for right now, I just have Khan Academy, but later there might be some resources added. Learning target. This is what for this lesson we're focusing on. And in this very first one, we're just working on what's a ratio because you might have forgotten over the summer. Classwork. This is where, and you can see up in the upper right-hand corner, click here for a link to the classwork video. I've done a few of these, but those might go away or other people might do some videos to just help you, just guide you through the classwork. And sometimes there's some writing in there too to read not only the directions, some of the work is straight out of your math book. Here's another, this one is a little bit lengthier because we've got tables. Again, another table. Here's where you're writing some sentences. Classwork is continued though. And then the lesson summary. So this is the lesson in a nutshell. So you're just reading. Actually, this is just to give you, a little bit of facts about the lesson. Here's the summary in a nutshell of what we covered. This is straight out of your book as well. And homework helper, these pages, I think maybe you had these last year, but the homework helpers are pages that have problems and the answers are there, but they walk you through the thinking and the processing of solving. This gets you ready for your problem set. My kids last year liked to blow through these and not really give them much attention, but I really encourage you to read through these because they're very helpful for all of us, not only students, but teachers alike. Problem set practice. So on the left-hand side, complete the problem set on your own. Set the timer for 20 minutes. This will not take you 20 minutes. You'll probably zip through them, but some of the problem sets get a little bit more challenging. There will also, on the next page, there's a video to help you in case you get stuck, in case there's a problem. You can also check your work after watching the video. But for this, you're doing the practice, seeing what do I know, what am I still struggling with. Then here's where the video is. And I actually put the video with a hyperlink to the title, the problem set video. You click on that link, that's going to take you to the video. I posted those in YouTube. It should take you right there. Watch through, rewind, pause, whatever you need to do with that video. Watch it twice. You may not need to in the very beginning. And then here's the exit ticket. Now the exit tickets, and again, you're reading directions and also typing. You may have a Go Formative, you may have a Google Doc, you may have a Google Form. I think as fifth graders coming into sixth grade, you might be familiar with all of those, but you'll totally knock this out of the park. But please make sure you've done the classwork and the problem set for practice, and then you've read the homework helper. That will make sure that it's like a piece of cake. Last page, this is what I have right now for additional resources, is Khan Academy, because this is totally aligned with the Eureka that we're using, your curriculum and your targets. So there might be some additional resources that are posted, totally up to the teachers as they walk through this. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped point some things out, and we'll be seeing you soon. Not really, but we'll be talking to you later. Bye.